Nakukulong na rin ako. Ano nyo? Jail nyo kami lahat. Jail nyo kami. Taser mo. Taser mo. Sige. Kung matakot. Taser mo. O, tupuan pa itang baril, o. O, taser nyo. Ano? Oo, taser nyo. Oo. Ba, tangin nyo. Sama-sama na lahat. Taser nyo. Kulong nyo ako. No, ay, gagi. Gagi.
Eh, passport na, bilis. Mga talaga na ito.
Gagi, kung kukulong nyo sila, makukulong na rin kami.
Please leave those that are not welcome here. I'm giving you last warning. Please leave. If not, you'll be handcuffed.
Niga, niga, niga.
To the one
Niga.
that was... How come he wasn't handcuffed? The one that tased.
Fuck you, niga, niga. Fuck you.
Sir, why are you still here? Please just jail. Please go to the jail now. You're not listening at all.
Tanga.